Okay, so this is the original document. In fact, I don't even think I want to call it a proper document. This is just a draft that is later need to be converted into a proper presentation. And this is a better looking document or presentation that was created based on that document, and it was created by Gemini AI. So yeah, there is actually a new feature in Gemini that lets you convert any document on your Google account. It could be from Google Slides, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and many other. And it is actually very good. The quality of the design is something that is worth presenting. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Gemini to convert any document on your account into a stunning presentation in just a few minutes. So let's open Gemini, and I'm using the desktop version, but of course this feature also exists in the mobile app version of Gemini. So for this example, I have a similar looking document, similar looking presentation file on my Google Slides account, and this document is talking about some benefits of home insurance. As you can see, it is very simple, just some text with plain background. That is nothing interesting to look at, but we are going to make it way prettier in just a second. So let's go back to Gemini, and to add your document into Gemini, you can click this plus button and then go to add from drive. And after that, you can select the document that you want to turn into a proper presentation. In this case, I'll select the document with the title Benefits of Home Insurance and click insert. So the way to turn the document into a presentation is very simple. Just use a plain English that you want to transform or to convert the document into a presentation, and that's about it. But you can also add some extra instructions like I want to change the color, or I want to have simpler design, bold font, and more concise text. However, it is worth mentioning that right now, from my observation, the design in Gemini seems to be following a sort of template. If you created enough slides, you'll notice that there are some repeating designs, and the designs from one document to another looks quite identical. Sure, the text, the color, icons, and images could be different, but overall, I think they are following some sort of similar or one templates or layout. So it can be quite similar, but that's not really a problem. I think it's still way better than whatever is this. Now, let's go back to Gemini again. And after that, click Tools, enable Canvas. And for the model, I'll just select the auto mode and submit. So just wait for several minutes. It's somewhere between 2 to 5 minutes for Gemini to convert any document that you provided into a proper presentation. And then later, I'll show you how you can actually transfer the new polished document into a Google Slides. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, so this is the slide, the document that was created by Gemini based on the previous draft I provided. And I think it is able to follow some of my instructions, like I want to have some bold text. Also, the color scheme is blue and white. I think it is able to follow that. Some images, okay, that's great. And yep, I would say the design is definitely better than the initial draft. Now, if you want to transfer that into Google Slides, just click Export to Slides and just wait for several seconds, maybe about 10 to 20 seconds for it to prepare that, and then it will be creating a new file on Google Slides, and you can actually open it. You can modify a lot of things. You can customize the text, the design, and many other things, and perhaps you can even download it as a PPTX document in case you want to modify the content using PowerPoint. Now I'm going to click Open Slides, and there it goes. So this is the document that was created by Gemini, and of course it is way better than the original document that looked like this. So yeah, in just less than 5 minutes, we are able to convert a document from Google Slides into, well, a new document in Google Slides, but it looks way prettier thanks to the new feature in Gemini AI. So that's basically how you can convert any document that you have on your Google account into a beautiful presentation using Gemini. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.